Got a sink drain clogged with food particles? Let's get that mess cleared out fast so you're not stuck with a slow, gross sink. Alright, first up, grab a bucket and put it under the sink trap, because you're gonna want to unscrew that trap to clean out whatever's gunked up in there. Use a wrench or just your hands if it's not too tight. Next, pull out the trap and dump all the food bits and sludge into the bucket. Yeah, it's nasty, but better now than later, right? After you clean the trap, flush the drain with boiling water to help break down any remaining grease or particles stuck inside the pipes. If that doesn't do the trick, try using a drain snake or a plumber's auger. Just feed it into the drain and twist to catch or push through the clog. Avoid chemical drain cleaners because they can mess up your pipes and are pretty harsh on the environment. Another tip, run hot water while you're draining stuff after washing dishes to keep oils moving down smoothly instead of sticking around. And don't forget, regularly cleaning your sink drain with baking soda and vinegar can keep clogs from happening in the first place. One of the biggest issues with sink drain clogs from food particles is ignoring the buildup until it gets real bad, which makes cleaning a nightmare. To fix this by staying on top of it weekly. Another common mistake is using chemical cleaners that promise quick fixes but end up damaging your plumbing pipes. Instead, stick to natural methods or mechanical tools like a drain snake. Lastly, people often forget to run hot water during and after using the sink, which lets grease harden inside the pipes. Making sure you do this can prevent most clogs before they start. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors connect with more clients who need their skills for projects big or small.